Yeah, my bet just arrived. They just arrived today, being the 22nd of April 2025. There are DOs, that is day old chicks, 150 in number, 150 numbers, no mortality, no weak bets. In fact, this company, very good, Armor company. So their bets are very good. No mortality. As you're seeing the bets, they're very healthy. They are taking their drinking water mixed with glucose in order to gain stress, in order to gain strength as a result of stress. So those are the bets. Very healthy and good looking bets. 150 number, no mortality, no casualty, no weak bets. All of them are strong and healthy. And again, if you take a good look at the brooding house, they are very simple and affordable. The brooding material there are not costly. As you can see, I'm using a very cheap brooding material, and that's what I've been using for a very long time in brooding my beds. If you see the floor there, I sprayed cement bag instead of newspaper. If you want to go look for paper go be very costly. I use cement bag, washed and cleaned cement bag. Then the wall of that building house is chairs, cartons. Their water resistance. Then you see their drinker. If you look up there, you see their lights for lightening the place. You know that these day old chicks, they really love lights. If there's no light there, it will affect the growth of that bed, and it will cause the death of many of those beds, because when the place is dark, the bed will pile up themselves. As a result of piling up themselves, they will march and trample on each other, and it will lead to death. So my brooding house is one of the cheap and affordable brooding house. So if you are starting from the beginning, go for cheap and affordable brooding house. But if you have enough capital, you can go for costly one. That's what it is. So that is today's update from our farm. Don't forget to subscribe, follow our Facebook page, follow us on TikTok. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video.